Welcome to Buyer's Guide. The best LEGO Boys 5 to 7 is probably one of the most versatile and engaging toy options available for young children, offering a fantastic blend of creativity, problem-solving, and imaginative play that can captivate kids for hours on end. This particular age range is crucial for developing fine motor skills and spatial reasoning, making LEGO sets designed for 5 to 7-year-olds an excellent investment in a child's cognitive and developmental growth, providing endless opportunities for building, storytelling, and learning through play. Number 5. LEGO Classic Large Creative Brick Box 10698. Ignite your child's imagination with this versatile brick box. It's perfect for sparking pretend play and building anything they can dream up. This set features 33 vibrant colors and a variety of bricks, windows, and doors. It provides all the elements needed for hours of creative construction. With included base plates and wheels, kids can build figures, castles, or even vehicles. It's designed for engaging playtime that develops creative building skills. This playset is fully compatible with all other LEGO construction sets. This means the creative possibilities are truly limitless. Featuring 790 pieces, including large baseplates, this set is ideal for builders of all ages. It encourages both building and interactive play. The packaging itself is a practical toy storage solution. Keep their creations tidy at home or in the classroom. What we like. This set offers an incredible variety of 33 colors and essential building accessories like windows, doors, and tires. It's perfect for those who love open-ended building and want a convenient way to store their bricks. If you're looking for a foundational set with endless possibilities for creative construction and easy cleanup, this is the one. What people say. The LEGO set is great for developing fine motor skills and creativity in young children. The pieces are easy to assemble and the instructions are clear, making it a fun building experience. This LEGO set offers a good variety of bricks and accessories, allowing for imaginative play and extended engagement. Number 4. LEGO Creator 3-in-1 Safari Wildlife Tree House 31116. Get ready for an exciting adventure with this amazing building set. You can build 3 different models, sparking endless imaginative play. Construct a fantastic tree house complete with a balcony, couch, and ladder. It even has an interior with a toilet and sink for added fun. Bring your safari to life with 3 brick-built animals, a posable giraffe, a vibrant flamingo, and a colorful hornbill. You can also add a boy and girl minifigure with a camera to capture all the action. Transform your set into a cool biplane with a cockpit for a minifigure. This model also includes a lion, a tree, and an African lovebird. Alternatively, you can build a catamaran with an adjustable sail. This exciting model comes with a crocodile and a marabou stork. This 397-piece set offers a fun building experience for animal lovers aged 7 and up. It's the perfect birthday or holiday gift to bring smiles and joy. What we like. This set provides 3 distinct building experiences, a tree house, a biplane, and a catamaran, all in one box. It also comes with minifigures and charming brick-built animals for immersive safari adventures. If you enjoy transforming your builds and have a child who loves animals and imaginative storytelling, this offers fantastic value and replayability. What people say. The LEGO Boys 5 to 7 set offers a fantastic building experience with clear instructions and well-designed pieces. This set encourages creativity and problem-solving skills, as children can build various models according to the manual or their own imagination. The durability of LEGO bricks ensures that the models can be played with repeatedly without losing their shape or connection. Number 3. Space Exploration Shuttle 12-in-1 STEM Building Kit. Embark on an incredible journey with this 12-in-1 Space Exploration Building Kit. It's designed for young adventurers aged 6 to 12. With 566 pieces, you can construct a variety of space vehicles like shuttles, satellites, and rockets. Enjoy quality time building together. This set makes learning fun, introducing kids to space vehicles and the wonders of the universe. It also sharpens their practical skills and imagination. Building is a breeze with the easy-to-follow manual included. You'll have your creations assembled in no time. Crafted from high-quality, non-toxic materials with smooth edges, these durable blocks ensure safe play. They are even washable for endless enjoyment. Give the gift of adventure. This kit is ideal for birthdays, Children's Day, or Christmas, inspiring imaginative play and exploration. What we like. With 566 pieces, this kit allows kids to build 12 different space-themed vehicles, fostering STEM learning and curiosity about the universe. It's designed for easy assembly with clear instructions, making it ideal for shared building experiences. If you want a toy that educates, entertains, and encourages quality time with your child, this space exploration set is an excellent choice. What people say. The Lego set is great for kids aged 5 to 7, offering a good balance of building challenge and playability. The pieces are well made and connect easily, ensuring a frustration-free building experience for young children. The set includes a variety of colorful bricks and unique elements that encourage creativity and imaginative play. Number 2. LEGO City Mars Research Shuttle 60226. Get ready for an out-of-this-world adventure with this exciting space shuttle toy. It's designed to spark imaginative play and exploration. This set includes a cool Mars rover equipped with an articulated grappling arm, perfect for collecting valuable geodes. Discover the mysteries of Mars. Your mission crew includes 2 LEGO City Mars astronaut minifigures. You'll also find a helidrone and a storage drone to assist you. The research shuttle is over 9 inches long, and the Mars rover is ready for action. These detailed models bring the excitement of space exploration to life. With 273 pieces, this astronaut construction toy is perfect for builders aged 5 and up. It's a fantastic STEM toy for boys and girls. This space toy set makes a wonderful gift. You can also combine it with other original LEGO toys and bricks for even more creative fun. What we like. This set brings the excitement of space exploration to life with a detailed research shuttle, a Mars rover with a grappling arm, and astronaut minifigures. It encourages imaginative play centered around scientific discovery. If your child is fascinated by space missions and enjoys role-playing as an astronaut exploring new frontiers, this set offers an engaging and educational adventure. What people say. The LEGO Boys 5 to 7 set offers a fantastic building experience with intricate details and engaging features that encourage creative play. This LEGO set is designed with durability in mind, ensuring that the pieces can withstand repeated use and enthusiastic play by children. The included instruction manual is clear and easy to follow, making it simple for children to assemble the models independently or with minimal assistance. Number 1. LEGO Creator 3-in-1 Flatbed Truck with Helicopter Toy 31146. Get ready for triple the fun with this amazing building set. It comes with everything you need to build 3 different awesome vehicles. Kids aged 7 and up can use the same bricks to construct and then transform their creation. The possibilities for imaginative play are endless. Will it be a powerful truck with a helicopter, a speedy plane with a fuel truck, or a cool hot rod with an SUV? You decide the adventure. These models aren't just for looking at. They have moving parts like wheels, propellers, and rotor blades for even more realistic play. Once playtime is over, each build makes a fantastic display model. Kids can proudly show off their creations in their rooms. Looking for a gift that inspires creativity? This set offers a fun building and role-playing experience, perfect for any occasion. What we like. This versatile set allows builders to create 3 different vehicle combinations, a flatbed truck with a helicopter, a propeller plane with a fuel truck, or a hot rod with an SUV, all from the same set of bricks. Each model features moving parts for dynamic play. If you love vehicles and enjoy the challenge of rebuilding and reimagining your creations, this set offers endless hours of action-packed fun and display potential. What people say. The LEGO Boys 5 to 7 set is a fantastic building experience, with clear instructions and a good variety of bricks for creative construction. My son loved the detailed minifigures included in the LEGO Boys 5 to 7 set, and the vehicle builds were sturdy and fun to play with. The quality of the LEGO bricks in this set is excellent, as expected from LEGO, ensuring durability and compatibility with other LEGO sets. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.